Well, hello, it is time now to start ripping out the kitchen. It's quite a mess at the minute, but I will show you just briefly. So we had this kitchen when we moved in, quite nice size I think, sort of galley kitchen kind of thing. And what we're doing is we're knocking down this wall. Obviously we still got all the stuff going on from the painting and such like, which we literally just finished the refurbishment up there and just moved Nathan up into that room. So the idea is to make, excuse all this, so this is where Nathan was staying while we were moving him, while we was refurbishing upstairs. So we're going to makeshift a kitchen in here while the other one's ripped out. Well, there's the dog, nearly lost my foot. So yeah, I'm literally just about to empty the cupboards, and then they're going to be all ripped out this side this afternoon, and then the plumber and electrician are coming to move things like electric sockets and things like that. And then yeah, this wall's coming down, both ceilings are going to be replastered. I thought these lights were really funky when I bought them, but I've seen some nice new ones now. So yeah, we're going to have a brand new kitchen, so it's very exciting, but I'm a little bit nervous about being without a kitchen for a while, but it'll be fine, I know it. So the first part of the kitchen is down. That was the colour that we had, oh sorry, gone out of focus there. That was the colour that we had all over the kitchen, but I decided to turn the walls white. And yeah, so that's as far as we've got really, basically tonight, because we've got to try and make space for the electrician and the plumber. And in here, I'm just kind of like trying to get it kind of, the floor's pretty bad, so that needs doing. And then in here, we're going to use a makeshift kitchen. I've put all these bits and pieces that like you need still to get to hold of. And on here, we're going to put the microwave, the kettle, some cups and saucers and things. A lot of stuff got to go back in my office, so it's a little bit chaos. This room looked lovely this morning, and now it doesn't. And this room doesn't either. This didn't anyway. So yeah, so it's all a load of chaotic mess, but it's getting there. Hello, Jasmine. So we come to Furniture Village. We are having a look at dining room table and chairs, which is quite cute. I made a nice cup of coffee, which is lovely. It's really pretty. But we don't really know what we're going to choose, do we?
No.
We like marble effect, or real marble, or polished marble, and we quite like chairs that are sort of comfy, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've got to look at bar stools.
Yeah, thinking about a bench as well.
Yeah, bench and 3 chairs. 3 chairs, do you think? You, me and Nathan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could always see.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the...
So this is me currently trying to sort out my office, which I feel like the world has come crashing down on me. I'm not gonna lie. Today it's been like really hard. I think I've hurt myself, stubbed my toe, hit my head, and had a cry because I felt as though today is the end of the world. Look, I mean, it's just, you know, I need to get to my desk because I've got work I need to do, dust everywhere, and all these things to sort out. You know, we've got this beautiful space and home and all that going on there, but I need to shift, you know, something to get to something, so nothing's ever straight, well, except for there. I could be in there, that would be really nice. But yeah, so I'm just a little bit like, I don't know, it's a bit much, and I felt slightly on my own, which of course I'm not. There's just dust literally everywhere. I'm trying to put a cute little play suit on today, but I'm not going to show you my face because I had a proper meltdown, and I just want you to know that I'm authentically human, the same as everybody else, and just trying to deal with this one thing at a time. Moving. See what I mean? For fuck's sake, I hope I haven't chipped more paintwork. We chipped so much yesterday getting all the stuff up there to Nathan's room, but I will get there, won't I? Well, good morning. Quite a few of you said you're excited to see the kitchen project, so I'm going to run through some things here. There's a wall here we're going to have taken down. This is where you come into the kitchen. This is the recess over the stairs. So it's going to have like a breakfast bar here, table here, Patio doors are here, which you can see already, and then this is going to be a new. These doors come into the lounge, which is to my left there, and it kind of looks a little like that. I think that's the other way around. Yeah, that's the other way around. So it kind of looks a little like that, sort of. But we have changed a few things. We're not having this anymore. Table and chairs there. There's another view, but again we're not having this, and this is going to be there, and this larder pull-out thing is going to be here. That floor's disgusting. There's another view, but we're not having that. Let me just see if I put something out. There we go. So that's the breakfast bar that we're having. Oven here. That's more like it, sort of, but it's slightly different to that. I need to print out the new ones actually. I have white shiny units, marble worktops, and a breakfast bar coming around here. That this unit's going to be this side now. We've changed this slightly. This is not quite how it's going to be, and this floor is gross. We're not having that. We're having a floor a bit more like that. Actually, it's going to match this floor that we've got here. So that's that. Yeah, radiator just arrived yesterday, so that's exciting. Okay, last little vlog, which is going to show you the room with Nathan's furniture all in it. So he's got his gaming set up here. He's got his bed set up here. It's very hot up here. He seems to like to have the windows closed, but that's fine. Obviously he's got his nice new towels and his, so yeah, he's moved in now. He's still got a cabinet to go on there, but that's it. So yeah, cute little succulents and things, and yeah, a great space. Absolutely great space.
In love.
Okay, so we've just come back from, we just want to grab something to eat, didn't we, Jazz?
Yeah.
And we've come back and there's no builders, and what can we see?
The other room with no wall.
It's mad. I mean, look at the dust in the air, you can see it. But it's going to be, oh, poor Alexa.
Oh no!
It's
At least we've got the sides down.
it's going to feel so much bigger. No, it isn't any bigger, this room, but yeah. So, oh, we've lost quite a...
weird, like, it's not supposed to be like that.
So that's the steel, obviously, that's in with the, and this is a pad stone? Pad stone.
Yeah.
So that's the stone that's probably made of pad. I don't know.
Oh, I see.
Pad stone, yeah. So the stone is like something that's harder than the brick. So that holds up that. Now we just went out to get some wallpaper, and we've come back and they're not here. You cannot see the size of this room through my camera. Hang on, let me, there we go. So yeah, it feels so much bigger, doesn't it? And it's really weird to think that like our kettle was here and now it isn't, and yeah, crazy, absolutely crazy. So I think we're going to be absolutely chuffed to bits with it, don't you?
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, that's at this stage. Madness, real mad.
Looks so different.
Looks so
He's
different.
written on your wall again.
Oh, he likes writing on the wall, does he, old builder?
Oh, at least it's not down the other bit you drew on.
Yeah. So he also is a great plasterer. So he's going to be overboarding the ceiling, which means you put plasterboard on it, and then skim it, which means the stuff that you mix up that's liquid, puts that over it. He's taken down all my coding because it's going to be just square. But there will be, this is going to be...
Covered with a little bit of wall.
Yeah, so, but I think that'd be quite cute. You could feature that with things, couldn't you?
Yeah, very
Put
nice.
like little mini photos
Oh, it's
on it.
raining.
It
We
is
got
raining.
in a good time.
It is raining. And it also just looks so light now, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Don't you think?
it does. And you think when it's all, like, the floors changed and the cabinets and are all white and everything.
Yeah. I'm going to love this space. It's going to be awesome.
Where the light was.
Yeah, so we have no light in here. Got a little under light, but oh my god. Shocking, really, really shocked. I'm glad now though, are you?
Yeah.
I'm feeling glad that we've done it, because I was a bit like, oh God, are we doing the right thing? And it's using up like the last little bit of my budget that I had to get it all done. But yeah, great size room. Alexa, pause. Okay, I'm going to try and attempt to do a bit of cleaning up. Little tip for you, if you're doing this and you want to vlog as well, and you've got your gloves on, use your nose. It's quite funny. Okay, so this is how it was. And then this is kind of how you can get it to ish, and the dust is going to settle again on that. But I'm going to take the hoover to everything, and there's not a whole deal of point of being too fussy, because tomorrow the plastering is going to happen. But yeah, so you've got all this going on, the pad stones, and obviously there's going to be a slight lip there between this room and that room, but that's okay. I'm cool with that. Some people might have had that put up there, but as you can see, there's more brickwork up there with the walls. So that's the wall between my bedroom and the kitchen, so the bathroom, sorry. So yeah, that's not really what we want, but yeah, it's taking the cornicing off. Yeah, it's good, it's looking good. Really chuffed. I think it's gonna, like, you walk into here, like as you normally come, you know, you'll come into and then you're like, wow. You know, and you can't really see it on there obviously, but yeah, I'm well impressed.
Yeah, Lord, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again in love. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you
Morning, I'm up really early today, so I've had a little sort out, got my cleaning stuff out of this cupboard that's under there, and it's not even daybreak yet. But there's plastering going to be done today, so all this stuff's still here. So I thought I'd get up, make a cuppa, get to my desk and have some time doing my office things, which would be fun. Well, we now have plastered ceilings. They're back tomorrow to do the beam and the... Hello, my friend. Kim is like, what's going on under my feet? Is it a funny floor, mate? I'm trying to clear up best I can. What am I gonna do?
loving how you wind up. For me, tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me, yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way, loving the way.
Good morning. Well, here we are with a kind of levelled off floor now. So it didn't quite all need doing, but the bits that needed doing have been done. It's very, very dirty. This is really messy. I was just thinking the whole contingency fund thing, like we've had to use my mop bucket because the bucket got a hole in it and things like that. So it's little stuff like that that I think is going to make a contingency plan kind of work, and things like ruining your trainers and your jeans. I mean, if it's so mucky and messy. And I've got really rained on today with going in and out to the skip and things like that. But Jasmine's been a great help. So we've moved things over there because that floor was all right. That was already levelled off. So we've moved the things. So we've got even more space now, which is great. But we've got with this, it's called, I think it's called, is it called Dine Out to Help Out?
Eat out to help out.
Eat Out to Help Out. And that's to do with the lockdown coronavirus thing. So we're going to go out. We've got obviously no kitchen to cook. So we're going to go out down our local pub and eat. And do you know what? Caution to the wind. I am going to have a couple of glasses of wine. Well, spritzer actually. And Jasmine said she fancies a couple of cocktails as well. Don't you, Jazz? She's thinking about it. So I'm going to go and, because I feel very dirty and mucky and messy, so I'm going to go and have some sort of shower and stop my hair being so fluffy looking. And, well, tomorrow, I've got no one coming tomorrow, so I'm going to clean up as best as I can. And at the weekend, I was planning on starting to decorate in there so that there's a lot of it's done before the new kitchen comes on Friday. Actually, which, oh my God, I've only got tomorrow, haven't I? So yeah, I do not know what I'm doing or when I'm doing it, in a nutshell. My accountant has chased me today as well for my accounts, so there's lots going on. So my new gas hob has arrived. I was advised to get a new one, look at him being nosy, by the plumber, because he says it's in better days. But anyway, floor's levelled, which is incredible. I feel it's all so dirty, but like trying to give it a good clean up today. And tonight, Jasmine and I are going to start painting. Can't paint this because obviously that is not, you know, in fact I probably need to get a heater in here so that can go off, because we're going to have to paint the ceilings. Tomorrow this is going to be full of kitchen that's been delivered, so yeah, we're going to have to give it a bit of a decorate. I think there's a lot of prep needs doing. See that all this needs filling. Why the plaster didn't do it quite, I don't know. But yeah, that all needs, oh God, it's gonna be a nightmare. I've got a lot to do. Why did they have to do that? This was my good wall. So this is proper like camping around the garden. Let's put my appliances out to half over, which is good. Oh, the wind's under it now. Hang on a second. So we can at least put that through into here and do the washing and the dishwashing and stuff, you know, so. But yeah, it's a bit funny. It's like camping. Look, everything's out. Everything that can be outside, it doesn't matter if it gets wet, is outside. We are looking at tiles. People quite like these ones, which are Manhattan light brown. Yeah, that one. That is right. But see, that's that.
Yeah. So I think next to the marble, that might be too much. You want something more plain?
Because I have marble worktops, and I was looking at this one over here, which I'll show you quickly. I've got them in all different patterns. This is in B&Q's. We quite like this one. I don't even know if you can see the difference on camera, Jazz.
Probably not.
We've had such a good day today, but there's such a difference in square meterage. But it says on here, it's really good on this box. Oh, you can't see on this one. But it says how many square meters there are. And then there's a, see that? So you see how big your room is and how many square meters you need. And then it says on the box that. So that's good, isn't it? But we're going to need like 25 of these boxes. Count down 25. How many is one?
Surely not. More than that.
No.
I don't think we need 25.
Well, we're not getting them yet then, because I've got nowhere to put them. They're not on special offer, and might be able to get them delivered actually.
We're not going to need 25, surely.
No, these are groovy, aren't they?
I like them.
But we don't want
I feel
hats.
like we're going for like a smaller room, like a bathroom or something. I feel like in a big room they'd look a bit...
Definitely. Okay, so we now just thought we'd come and have a little look at hot tubs, didn't we, Jasmine? Oops. Oops. It's very nice. Show us the speaker, please. It's got a pop-up speaker. We like this one a lot.